So when I first found out about Nice, the first thing I wanted to do was run to our accounts and tell them about it. I can polish it or I can put it into an oven, and there's no strength difference between those two. We can design it easily, we can mill it easily, we can polish it easily, and we can do these all in a very truncated time frame compared to other materials. The actual material is a lithium aluminodisilicate, reinforced ceramic. So what that allows you to do is mill it full strength. When it comes out of the mill, it's going to be 350 megapascals, which is equivalent to what most blocks are coming out of an oven crystalline cycle. We are able to design with the utmost confidence that what we design on the screen is going to be strong and withstand the occlusal forces in the mouth. So there's many things that we've enjoyed about using Nice. The versatility of it to be able to be polished or put into an oven. The fact that when it first goes into the oven, it's already tooth colored and you know what colors you're putting on the tooth is going to be the result that comes out after firing. And then having two different firing cycles is beneficial for us if we were going for a more translucent look or a more color correct look. The Nice materials come in both a high translucency and low translucency version, and we can also manipulate that in the ovens as well. For offices that are trying to do same-day restorations, it is extremely beneficial to mill Nice because you get the strength without having to spend the time that you normally would crystallizing a restoration. They look beautiful, they function very well, they wow our patients. It really is a great mix of strength and aesthetics for the practice.